Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have a new laptop. Begin now by ensuring internet connectivity and enough free disk space. Open the built-in browser because you need a working download path. Search for Google Chrome. Choose the stable channel unless you want bleeding edge features. Once you click download, the file will land in your downloads folder. Make note of the file name so you can run it. This step gets the installer ready and explains why channel choice matters, stability versus early features. Run the installer you downloaded. On Windows, double-click the exe. On Mac OS, open the DMG, and on Linux, use the distribution package or a-rpm. Grant the installer permissions when prompted. Administrative rights let it place files and set defaults. After installation, launch Chrome and sign into your Google account to restore bookmarks and passwords. This is faster and safer than manual transfer. Make sure to set Chrome as your finish by updating Chrome immediately. Go to Menu, Help about Chrome, Updates, Patch security issues. Install only trusted extensions and review their permissions to limit data access. This reduces slowdowns and privacy risk. If pages render oddly, clear the cache and cookies, then restart the browser. If Chrome still crashes, uninstall completely and reinstall. On Windows, use settings to remove leftover profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: create a new Chrome user profile to isolate corrupt settings. If that works, migrate data selectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.